Okay, topic number 2, we have expand and factor expressions. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is expanding expressions, which means removing the brackets. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is remove the brackets. We have to times what is outside the brackets by what is inside the brackets. So outside the brackets we have 5 times x, that's 5x, and 5 times 3, that's 15. So the answer is 5x plus 15. Okay. Number 2, the same thing again. What is outside the brackets? 3. So 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times 11 is 33. Okay. Question number 3. Write an equivalent expression for 3 brackets x plus 5 minus 2. So we're doing the same thing. 3 times x, that's 3x. 3 times 5 is 15. And now we have the minus 2. So we have to write here minus 2. So here we can actually simplify it even more. We can make it even shorter or smaller. We have the number plus 15 and we have the number minus 2. So 3x plus 15 minus 2 makes plus 13. Okay. Question number 4. We're doing the same thing. So outside the brackets we have a half. So a half times t is half t. Half times 20 is 10. And we have the minus 2, don't forget. So we write minus 2 here. And again, we can simplify it even more. We have, for the numbers, we have plus 10 and minus 2. So half t, I'm going to write half t here. Plus 10 minus 2 makes plus 8. Okay, half t plus 8. Number 5, we have the same thing. Outside the brackets, we have 0.5. So 0.5 times 8x is 4x. 0.5 times... Now this isn't 12, this is minus 12. Minus 12. Don't forget the minus. Okay, so 0.5 times minus 12 is minus 6. So that's the answer. Okay, question number 6, same thing again. We have outside the brackets, we have a minus 3 this time. So minus 3 times 2x is minus 6x. Minus 3 times minus 5 is minus, it's plus 15. Minus 3 times minus 5 is plus 15. Okay, question number 7. It says here, Ali simplifies 5x minus 3 brackets x plus 7 as 2x plus 21. Simplify the expression to get the solution and explain if Ali was correct. Explain any errors Ali made. Okay, so the question is saying Ali simplified this question and he got this answer. Okay, now we have to simplify the question to get an answer, and we have to see if Ali is correct. So let's do the question. So the question here is 5x minus 3 brackets x plus 7. So I'm going to write it. 5x minus 3 brackets x plus 7. Okay. So I'm going to write this 5x first. Now we have brackets here. So what is outside the brackets? We have minus 3. So we have to do minus 3 times x. It's minus 3x. And minus 3 times 7. It's minus 21. Okay, so we can simplify this even more. If we look at our x's, we have 5x and minus 3x. That makes 2x. And then we have the minus 21. So 2x minus 21. If we look at Ali's answer, he got 2x plus 21. But the actual answer, correct answer, is 2x minus 21. So Ali made a mistake. He did not do minus 3 times 7. He did a positive 3 or plus 3 times 7. He got a plus 21. Okay, so that's the mistake Ali made. Okay, let's look at this question here, question number 8. Now we have brackets here, but we don't have a number outside the brackets. So the number here is actually a number 1. Okay, I'm just going to put the number 1 next to these brackets. So we're going to do the same thing. 1 times x is 1x. 1 times 7, 7. Here, 1 times 4x is 4x. And 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, now we can simplify it even more. We can make it shorter. Looking at our x's, we have x plus 4x equals 5x. And we have plus 7 and plus 3. That is plus 10. That's our answer. Okay. Same thing for this question. Simplest form. We are going to put the number 1 next to this bracket. And there's no number here also. So we're going to put the number 1 here. Okay. So this actually becomes a minus 1. Okay. So here 1 times 6x, 6x. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. Here we have minus 1 times 2x. So minus 1 times 2x is minus 2x. And minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. So now we're going to look at our x's. We have 6x minus 2x. That is 4x. And for the numbers, we have minus 2 minus 3. That is minus 5. Okay. Next question. Exactly the same. There's no number here next to the brackets. I'm going to put the number 1. 1 times 3x, 3x. 1 times 5 plus 5. Minus 1 times minus 2x is plus 2x. Minus 1 times minus 7 is plus 7. So we have 3x plus 2x, that is 5x. Plus 5 plus 7, that is plus 12. Okay. Question 11. We're going to write an expression for the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so here's our rectangle. The perimeter means all the sides added together. So we have to add this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. Okay, so this top side here is the same as this bottom side, 4m minus 1, and this side is the same as this side, 3m plus 2. So I'm going to add all the sides together. I have 4m plus 3m plus 4m plus 3m. That is 14m. And now looking at the numbers, we have minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. That makes plus 2. And that is our answer. So same question here again. It's another rectangle. We have a length of 5x minus 2 and a width of 4x plus 7. Okay, we have to write and simplify a linear expression for the perimeter. Again, we're going to do the perimeter. So we're going to, here I'm going to draw my rectangle because there's no picture here. So we have 5x minus 2 for the length, and the width is 4x plus 7. 4x plus 7. Now I'm going to plus all these sides together. So first I'm going to look at my x's. 5x plus 4x plus 5x plus 4x, that's 18x. And then my numbers, we have minus 2 plus 7 minus 2 plus 7. That is plus 10. That is the answer. Okay, question 13. This time it's a rectangle, it's a triangle. So it has 3 sides. We have the sides 4x minus 10, 2x plus 6, and 5x. Again, we're going to find the perimeter. So the perimeter means we're going to plus all these sides together. So looking at my x's, we have 5x plus 4x plus 2x. That is 11x. And then my numbers, we have minus 10 and we have plus 6. That is minus 4. And that is the answer.